What's up, guys? We just made it to Glamis. It is what is this, Friday afternoon, and it's 2:12. We got a new face with us. First of all, new face number one, Justin, who never makes it out.
You guys never seen
Never
me
rides
before.
his damn dirt bike. That dirt bike hasn't been ridden. Where is it?
Almost a year, dude. It's fine.
Since the last trip to Glamis.
It wasn't even a year.
Scroll back 3 years, you might see that.
It's like eight months ago.
Welcome back, buddy.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
What's happening, Sean?
What's going on?
This is Sean, Mr. Sean, with his brand new Razor, dude. Check this thing out. Just picked this up, right? What, like a month or two ago?
2 months ago.
And this is a 19?
Yeah.
19 turbo, 64-inch, brand new 19. Happy for him, man. Big congratulations on the new. So he's never driven a side-by-side out here. So we're gonna cut his teeth this weekend. It's gonna be a good time. We're out here in Wash. What is this? 23.
2-3.
2-3 for the weekend.
Christmas tree.
Interestingly enough, not nearly as busy as the last 2 weekends, Thanksgiving and Camp Razor. This stuff was completely full, so we got a really nice spot out in 23, and obviously all set up, ready to go. We got some nice looking neighbors, some nice sand cars, so it should be a fun time. Looks like everybody's gonna be chill. Man, it's beautiful out here though. Weather is perfect, guys. I hope we're gonna do I think we're gonna do walk around at the Razor on the Razor at some point. That'll be a separate video, so we're gonna try to get that done for an update video and some thoughts on that and future plans. And I know you guys want to do a tour of the motorhome, just haven't gotten around to doing it yet, but all those things we need to try to film this weekend, or at least most of them. Otherwise, it's just going to be a good time. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Kind of tradition around here, actually. On the first day, we don't ride.
Not usually, no.
No, we just drink.
We get in, we set up, we start boozing.
That's pretty much it. That's the way to start off a good weekend. Just come out here, get set up, start drinking. Sean ran up to the beach store to get a pass because he didn't have a pass, so took the Razor up there, got the fire pit dug out. He started the stupidest, ugliest fire pit I ever did see in my life. That thing is a crater. It looks like a moon crater. We got that finished up, but I think we're gonna be cooking some good food here shortly. We went out and did a walk around on the Razor. That'll be a separate video for you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna rip. In the morning, first thing, dirt bike ride, big dirt bike ride. And then we're gonna head over to the Sandcraft Send It Challenge. Seems like every weekend I'm here, they got that going on, so.
I haven't been, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna go over there, do some filming.
Cool.
Get lots of little clips for you guys of the action, so I don't know, I'm worried about Sean.
Don't worry about Sean. He's going to see this, by the way.
Sean,
Hi,
yeah.
Sean.
Hey, Sean. Hey, buddy. He might have broke down already. Been gone a long time to go to the beach store.
At least 45 minutes. It's been an hour and a half.
Let's get to cooking. Let's cook without Sean. Cooking scene. This segment is called
Mashing
Is
taters.
it cooking with carrot?
Oh.
Okay.
So you're like Emerald Garrett live?
Yeah, you're gonna watch me. I'm gonna slap chop this shit right into dinner.
So what was it called
That's
again?
not Emerald.
What was it called though?
It's a cooking with carrot.
Yes, it is. Stupid. It's a cookie with a carrot.
All right. First things first. Is that gonna fit in there?
Need
Because the dog's got the other
You
bowl.
need some Pyrex bowls.
The dog's got the other bowl. Yes, that's gonna fit. Tonight's dinner is going to be some big, beautiful ribeyes, giant taters, and apparently I was enlisted to be camp cook.
You know why,
because
right?
Sean,
No.
Sean reaches out to Justin and says,
Ask Garrett if I pitch in,
"Why?
will he cook food?"
This is offensive, by the way."
I don't think
I
he.
take offense
I
to
don't know
this.
if he actually said that. That was just me going. He's lazy without Abby.
But the wife not coming. Garrett assumes the wife role.
But then
that-
Sean confirmed. Sean then confirmed
I was
though.
hurt.
Sean then confirmed that Abby doesn't cook. Did he not?
I hope Abby doesn't watch.
Sorry,
this.
Abs.
Abby, you a DoorDasher?
He did confirm that Abby does not cook, so he was just gonna have Hot Pockets and microwave pizzas.
So at first I said Sean could take a hike.
Yeah, he was bad.
But then I got to think about it. I was like, you know what? I go all out cooking anyways.
It's true. And look at the way he plays with those potatoes. I mean, who wouldn't want to eat that?
Well, first of all, a good potato is a fingered potato. This is the world's dullest knife, by the way. So
you know what you get Garrett for Christmas next year?
Sharp knife would be ideal. I got a really sharp knife at home, but I don't
think
bring it
Emerald
up.
makes knives.
Does he?
You can't use those because you stole his.
I stole. No, I didn't. Bam! Kick it up a notch. Like that, right?
That's
what
not,
he
is
does.
that Emerald?
That's Emerald.
Oh, shit.
And he throws. Bam! Kick it up a notch. That's what he does.
Just like that.
You guys know. Justin
yeah,
doesn't
everybody
know.
watches Emerald.
I watched a lot of Emerald growing up.
Yeah, he does watch Food Channel.
I don't watch food channels. Don't listen to him.
That's how he got good at cooking.
Yeah, got good. So we're gonna try to cut this with a terrible knife.
I will be honest though, I was never an onion fan.
Until
Christina.
Yeah, what?
But
Don't start that crap.
This dude puts those onions on that grill, and I'll tell you what.
I tell you what, boy.
I could eat it just. I mean, I could have a full meal of just onions.
You could, right? And yellow squash.
And every time.
And we got the mushrooms.
It's pretty amazing though. He knows what he's doing. It's weird.
I don't know.
Dull knife and all.
I'm not. Yeah, this knife is gonna cut my finger off.
I don't know how you call yourself a chef with a dull knife, but it is good.
Now you know what to get me.
Yeah, knife set.
Yeah. Let's get these guys in there because this is gonna take a minute.
Definitely need a shower.
And I would say just put those in for a good 20 minutes because they're giant. You bite no ankles, dog.
Some shrooms.
Shrooms that we accidentally kind of froze a little bit, but I think they're okay.
Careful.
Yeller squash.
We're mixing the squash.
Still getting this all in there. I don't know if the foil is going to be big enough, but
mixing the squash with the onions. That's what's happening. Ooh, Lord.
Throw that in there. Some seasoning. Favorite. Olive oil. Whoa. Whoa, buddy.
Watch out from our raccoon's tail.
You're going to want to get olive oil all up in there. Yeah.
I think that's a full bottle.
Don't be shy with the olive oil.
Yeah,
olive oil is healthy and delicious.
Full bottle.
Pepper. Alright. Garlic salt.
Honey, I hope you watch this so you can make some veggies at home now.
You know, it always looks like a lot of salt, but it ends up sweating down so much in there. You can be generous with it. It ain't going to be overly salty. And you're just going to kind of taco this thing into something that you can get onto the barbecue. And then that will go on the barbecue for about 35 minutes. High heat. And that's the side dish. We'll check back with you when Cookie with Kid pulls out the steaks.
Alright, we got, what is it?
It's
meat on the ground.
Alright, so
Chef Grit is back.
Chef Grit is back with Glamis
for another round. I told you what was gonna happen.
He's like, what is happening?
For another round of
another round
your
of
meat on the floor.
I thought these were on the grill.
No.
What kind of sauce you got?
This is the Kansas City inspired, is what it says. A thick, sweet sauce with hints of molasses and brown sugar.
All I heard was thick.
That's good.
Sounds
I
pretty
like
good.
thick.
You need to watch it.
Oh,
Camera guy.
I'm just saying, I like
Calm
thick
it down
sauce,
a little bit.
bro. I like thick sauce, you know what I'm saying?
You like thick things. We got cookies.
Oh, okay.
Les chocolate sheep.
The mushrooms, the onions, the squash. That's a good time right there.
Unbelievable.
We got 3 taters. We're just gonna let that cool off because it's pretty much the temperature of the surface of the sun right now.
Oh, the good dog. She does not
Let me go before you.
Dribble some of this juice on there.
Holy shnikes.
Okay.
The most exciting moments in my life. Might be. Shnikes. We have that.
That looks delicious.
There's the spread.
We're gonna need you to get a plate
Okay.
All right, we're gonna head outside. We're gonna get some meat.
Beautiful.
Justin, you want which one you want?
I don't know, dude. Just whatever one you
You want
don't.
this one right here?
Whatever one you don't.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is. It's like a meat hat.
Yeah, the potato
It's like
is
a hat of
as
meat.
big as the meats.
Yeah, there we go.
And we about to eat.
That's good looking right there.
We're gonna hang out on a little patio table here. Fire's still cooking over there.
And chow down.
Garrett's
I'm gonna turn on the
still
wood light
there.
for
Our
Bobby on.
chef Garrett. And Angry Dog is still there. Wee. And look at this stupid buggy whip thing. This thing is crazy.
There we go.
Holy smokes. We were I was pleasantly surprised at the brightness of that thing.
Justin, you saying the prayer?
Prayer, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Good God, good food, good friends, good meat. Let's eat. Yeah.
That's a good
like
term
it.
right there.
Are we supposed to hold hands for that?
Thank you.
I think
No,
that's
it's all right.
proper.
Appreciate it.
What's up, dude?
Thank
So,
you.
We'll
all
see.
right.
We'll see. Oh wow,
Thanks
that
for
was.
having us,
I'm
Tim.
glad you didn't see that. We'll see you in the morning.